Welcome to this video on how to combat COPD symptoms with herbal supplements. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, is a respiratory disease that affects millions of people worldwide. Some people have a genetic predisposition to COPD, which means they are more likely to develop the disease even if they have never smoked or been exposed to lung irritants. Some have a history of respiratory infections. Repeated respiratory infections, such as pneumonia or bronchitis, can damage the lungs and increase the risk of developing COPD. COPD symptoms include shortness of breath, coughing, wheezing, and chest tightness. COPD is caused by prolonged exposure to irritants like cigarette smoke, air pollution, and occupational dust and chemicals. While there is no cure for COPD, there are ways to manage its symptoms, including the use of herbal supplements. In this video, we will discuss some of the best herbal supplements for COPD and how to use them to manage COPD symptoms. Exposure to certain triggers can worsen COPD symptoms and increase the risk of exacerbations. Here are some common COPD triggers to avoid. Tobacco smoke. Smoking is the leading cause of COPD, and exposure to tobacco smoke can worsen symptoms and increase the risk of exacerbations. Air pollution. Exposure to air pollution, such as smog, dust, and vehicle exhaust, can irritate the airways and worsen COPD symptoms. Respiratory infections. Viral and bacterial infections, such as the flu or pneumonia, can worsen COPD symptoms and increase the risk of exacerbations. Cold air. Cold air can cause airways to narrow, making it difficult to breathe. People with COPD should avoid spending time outside in cold temperatures or wear a scarf or mask to cover their mouth and nose. Indoor air pollution. Indoor air pollution, such as secondhand smoke, cooking fumes, and cleaning chemicals, can irritate the airways and worsen COPD symptoms. Allergens. Allergens, such as pollen, dust mites, and pet dander, can irritate the airways and worsen COPD symptoms. Exercise. While exercise is important for people with COPD, overexertion can worsen symptoms and increase the risk of exacerbations. People with COPD should work with a healthcare provider to develop an exercise plan that is safe and appropriate for their condition. Emotional stress. Emotional stress can worsen COPD symptoms and increase the risk of exacerbations. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can help manage stress and improve breathing. It's important for people with COPD to identify and avoid their individual triggers as much as possible to manage symptoms and reduce the risk of exacerbations. Remedies. Chapter 1. Understanding COPD symptoms. COPD symptoms can be different for everyone. However, some of the most common symptoms include shortness of breath, coughing, wheezing, and chest tightness. These symptoms can make it challenging to breathe and can affect a person's quality of life. It's essential to understand COPD symptoms to help identify when they're getting worse and when to seek medical attention. Chapter 2. Herbal supplements for COPD. There are many herbal supplements that can help manage COPD symptoms. These supplements are generally safe and can be used alongside traditional COPD treatments. Here are some of the best herbal supplements for COPD. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is a natural decongestant and can help relieve chest congestion, which can make it easier to breathe. Eucalyptus can be found in many over-the-counter products, including cough drops and chest rubs. Ginseng. Ginseng is a natural anti-inflammatory and can help reduce inflammation in the lungs. Ginseng can be taken in supplement form, or it can be consumed as a tea. Mullein. Mullein is an herb that can help soothe the lungs and reduce inflammation. Mullein can be consumed as a tea or taken in supplement form. Licorice root. Licorice root has natural anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe the airways. Licorice root can be consumed as a tea or taken in supplement form. Lobelia. Lobelia is an herb that can help relax the airways, making it easier to breathe. Lobelia should be used with caution as it can be toxic in high doses. Chapter 3. Using herbal supplements for COPD. When using herbal supplements for COPD, it's essential to speak with a healthcare provider first. Herbal supplements can interact with traditional COPD treatments and other medications, so it's crucial to ensure that they're safe to use. Here are some tips for using herbal supplements for COPD. Start with small doses. When first using herbal supplements for COPD, it's important to start with small doses. This can help prevent any potential side effects and can help determine if the supplement is effective. Monitor symptoms. It's important to monitor COPD symptoms when using herbal supplements. If symptoms worsen or don't improve, it's essential to seek medical attention. Be patient. Herbal supplements can take time to work. It's important to be patient and give the supplement time to take effect. Chapter 4. Lifestyle changes to manage COPD symptoms. In addition to using herbal supplements, there are several lifestyle changes that can help manage COPD symptoms. These changes include quitting smoking. Quitting smoking is one of the most important steps a person with COPD can take. Smoking can exacerbate COPD symptoms and can make it challenging to breathe. Avoiding irritants. Avoiding irritants like air pollution and occupational dust and chemicals can help reduce COPD symptoms. I have even included a link below this video with a good supplement that you can take daily. Practice staying. COPD is a chronic lung disease that is life-threatening and must be taken seriously. If your health condition becomes life-threatening, please always remember to call 911. I hope you found this video helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to more contents like this.